Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a skit that I did for one of my classes in college. This is called a 4-frame movie, and basically you take 4 videos and you make a little skit out of it. So I really enjoyed it and I thought I'll share it with you. So I hope you enjoy. Wow, this drawing turned out so good. I'm loving it. Like, did I draw that? Of course I did. Alright, I'm almost done. Just a few more details. Ooh, that's okay. It's digital art. I can undo it. I think I need a break anyways. What happened to my computer? Oh crap, this isn't good. Huh? I didn't save it? No. There has to be another way. There has to. Oh no, error message? Oh my gosh, I'm screwed. What have I done? So, what you guys think? I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video.